Option 1, create a purchase order, PO, with no inventory impact. Click the Create New button to add a new part. Select from the PRC dropdown to choose a product category. Use a designated inventory PRC code, for example, ZZZ. Name the part. Click the Create button to add the new part. Check the non-inventory. Checkbox to mark this part as non-inventory. Click the Update button to save your changes. Click the Purchasing tab. Click the P-Quotes drop-down menu to access purchasing quotes. Click the New P-Quote button to create a new purchase quote. Click the pencil to edit the P-Quote header. Type in the vendor search field to find and select a vendor. Select a vendor. Click the OK button to save your changes. Click the prcpart field to search for your non-inventory part. Select ZZX Pence from the drop-down to set the expense category. Click the Cost field to enter the amount for this line item. Click the Add button to add this line item to the order. Click the Edit icon button in the Actions column to modify the line item. Click the More Options button to access additional settings. Click the Source Comments text field to add internal notes. Click the OK button to save your changes. Click the Convert to PO button to create a purchase order from this quote. Click the Place Purchase Order button to create the purchase order. Click the Accounting tab to access accounting features. Click the AP drop-down menu to view accounts payable options. Click ADD Voucher to create a new voucher entry. Type in the vendor search field to find and select a vendor. Select your vendor from the vendor drop-down. Click the Submit button to save the voucher entry. Click the Search POs button to find purchase orders. Select your PO from the drop-down to attach the PO line. Click the Search icon button next to the PO number field to look up the purchase order. Click the Vendor Requested field to enter the requested amount. Click the Submit button to save the voucher. Option 2, skip the purchase order and voucher directly. Click the New Voucher button to create a new voucher entry. Click the Vendor Search field to find and select a vendor. Enter the vendor name in the vendor field. Enter the vendor requested amount in the vendor requested field. Click the Add Break button to create a new ledger entry line. Select an account from the drop-down menu in the Account column. Enter the value amount in the Value field. Click the Submit button to save the ledger entry.